Hey guys, my name's Kia and I've been a professional makeup artist for the last 2 years. I'm currently at Stroke Salon where I teach full-length professional and personal makeup courses. In this online course, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals and basics of makeup so you can start doing your makeup by yourself. Before you start doing your makeup, you need a skincare routine. Now, I know the internet makes it seem like your skincare routine needs to involve 10 steps and a pilgrimage to the Himalayas, but all you really need is a face wash and a moisturizer. Now, your skincare routine also kind of depends on your skin type. There's 4 basic types of skin. You have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin and combination skin. If you have oily skin, that means your skin produces a lot of oil throughout the day. And if you have dry skin, it's the complete opposite. It means you have really dry skin as you go about your day. And unless you use a moisturizer, you get really crackly all over your face. Combination skin is when you're oily in your T-zone and you're dry or normal everywhere else. And normal skin is when you're not excessively dry or excessively oily. You just have normal skin and it reacts well to any product. When you're choosing your skincare products, it'll usually say at the front what type of skin it's meant for, so it'll be pretty easy shopping for it. You want to go for basic drugstore brands, like you can go for Neutrogena or something like that. If you have any serious skin problems like excessive acne, then you want to consult a dermatologist before you go ahead and put on a lot of makeup on your face, because you don't know how your skin might react to certain chemicals. The first step of your makeup routine is foundation. In order to choose a foundation, you also need to know what your skin type is. If you have really oily skin, you want to choose a mattifying foundation. A mattifying foundation will dry down matte on your skin and it'll prevent your pores from producing too much oil and prevent your face from getting too shiny throughout the day. If you have really dry skin, you want to choose a hydrating foundation. A hydrating foundation is not going to dry down on your face and it's going to let your face breathe and it'll prevent your pores from getting clogged. If you have combination or normal skin, you choose your foundation depending on what works best with your skin in particular. Everyone's skin reacts differently to different chemicals, so you have to try out a bunch of products and see what's working best for you before you come to a conclusion. As a professional makeup artist, I use the curating palette, and this is a bit too heavy for daily use, so if you're just doing makeup for yourself or for your friends, you can go for the Maybelline Fit Me foundation or the L'Oreal 9 to 5, something like that, something affordable and drugstore. Choosing your foundation shade really just comes down to trying different shades on your face. You need to take the shades and then swatch them on your face and see which one is closest to your skin tone. There's a lot of theory behind undertones and stuff that's really hard to get into. It's kind of difficult to tell what your undertone is just by looking in the mirror. But once you have a foundation in your hand and you've swatched it on your face, you'll kind of be able to tell if it's too orange for you or if it's going grey on your skin. So according to that, you'll be able to choose your foundation shade. This is the kind of brush I would use. It's flat-ended from the top and it helps you get cream foundation all over your face. You just use it in circular motions and stipple the foundation onto your skin. A sponge like this will help the foundation spread all over your face evenly without getting any brush streaks on it. The curating foundation is a cream-based foundation and I like to apply this using a flat-ended brush. Once you have your foundation shade picked out, I like to take it on a smaller brush and dot it on the parts of my face that are going to need coverage. You can dot some extra on the parts of your face where you might have acne or dark spots or where you know you might need more coverage. Try to avoid the under eye area too much when you're applying your foundation because you're going to cover over that with concealer later anyways. To blend the foundation, I take a flat-ended brush like this and I will use circular motions and blend this all over my face. When you're applying foundation just to go outside, you're not taking pictures under any heavy lighting, you want to make sure you use a really small amount. Because even though on Instagram and YouTube, people use a copious amount of foundation on their face and cake their entire face, that stuff does not look good in real life, trust me. It looks crazy fake, it looks like you put way too much makeup on your face and it just looks unnatural. The best way to go about your foundation is apply a little bit at first and then build coverage as you go along. Once you have an initial layer down, you're going to know where you might need more coverage on your face. Just make sure you don't go too overboard or go too sparse with it. Make sure you have the right amount on your face. So now you have the foundation set on your face and you have an even base for the rest of your makeup. If you have a very hydrating foundation on, make sure that before you go on to the next stages, you put on a little bit of setting powder. I'll be teaching you more about setting powder and the next steps to makeup in the next video. Thank you for watching.